All right, guys, there's a good opportunity for someone. A used CNC fiber laser for sale. This is a 5x10 machine with a tube cutter attachment. And for those of you that have been following for quite some time, you will recognize this as my original machine. And I sold this to Chris Dudley back, whatever, 2 years ago. And this machine is kind of what started our partnership of going around and installing these machines. And we have a 12 kilowatt enclosed exchange table machine for him now, and we'll be installing that soon. But this one's available, still running great, no problems. It's now a 6,000 watt machine. Check it out.